morning, student. Student, in the previous class, I have completed some short exercise of chapter number 9. Today, student, I will explain the next exercise of chapter number 9, the animal growth and multiplication. So all of you get ready to write down the question answer, okay, in your online classes. So get ready, open your classwork copy and write down answer only, okay. You will leave the 1 or 2 lines for the question. Then you are all write down this question answer in your fair copy also, okay. Thank you. Student, open. of December, class 4, science. Topic I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question answer. In the previous online class through the Google Meet, I have explained the section 6 of page number 99. Section 6, actually this is the section 7. Give short answer. Hope student you are all written this in your copy, fair copy. Okay. Today I will start the section 7, that is section 8. Because the numbering of section is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 4th on page number 99. So this is the section number 8. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Question number 1. I am write down only answer, but I am going to read the question. Explain the life cycle of a frog. Support your answer with a diagram. So, you have made the diagram in your fair copy. All of you open the page number. Page number 93. Life cycle of frog. Okay. In the explaining of this topic, I have already explained the life cycle and the diagram of the life cycle of a frog. So all of you make diagram with the help of your book given on page number 93. Okay, in the left side of the question. Write down female frog lays hundreds of eggs, HUNDRE 100 of eggs Okay, in water. In water. Okay. In a CLUS cluster called SPAWN. 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 Okay. Spawn, DEVE, develop into tadpole. After a few weeks, comma, the tadpoles change wait student into young frog THROU through metamorphosis. Okay, two more points. So write down first of all these. Female frog lays 100 of eggs in water in a cluster called spawn. Spawn means eggs. Develop into tadpole. After a few weeks, the tadpole change into young frog through metamorphosis. In metamorphosis, student, the life cycle of the tadpole is just like the fish. Okay, because it had tail and gills. After some time, the tail becomes shorter and finally disappeared. In tadpole stage they have one tail and with two legs. Okay. After few days tadpole with four legs. Tadpole have one long tail with four legs. Okay. After some time short tail becomes shorter and after some times legs grow, okay, and tail becomes shorter and FINA finally DISAPPEAR disappears. And in tadpole stage, they have one tail with two legs. After few days, tadpoles have one long tail with four legs. After some time, legs grow and tail becomes shorter and finally disappear. And develop into adult frog. Only. Student, I am explaining according to the diagram. You know, first they have eggs. Now eggs develop into tadpole. Tadpole have two legs and one tail. After few weeks or sometimes tadpole change into the tadpole grow and they have four legs and one tail. After some time the tail becomes shorter and finally disappeared and legs become grow and hard. They are four legs and finally it change into the adult frog. So write down the life cycle of the frog. Okay, and draw the diagram also. All of you draw the diagram also. Write down, student, this. Okay, student, I hope you are all written this, and I am going to write written the next question answer. Question number 2. How does embryo grow and develop inside egg? Explain. How does the embryo grow and develop inside the egg? Student, embryo generally found in the middle of the yolk. Yolk contain the small baby, and they feed their yolk. Yolk contains nutrients, and albumin contains protein. So they provide nutrients to the developing embryo. How does embryo grow and develop inside an egg? Open the page number 93. I am going to erase this. How does embryo grow and develop inside an egg? Explain. Page number 93. Question 2 and answer. Okay. Write down. Yolk contain the developing baby called embryo. Okay. The fat of yolk and protein of albumin provide food. embryo, embryo. Okay, it DEVE, it develops to become the young bird on which it gets when the mother or father bird sit on the egg. Sit on the egg. For several days. Okay. And draw, not required, the diagram. Yolk contains the developing baby called embryo. The fat of yolk and the protein of albumin provides food to embryo. It develops to become the young bird on getting proper warmth, which it gets when the mother or father bird sit on the eggs for several days. Write down, students. Okay, write down today's homework. Write today's chapter 9 in your care and learn it. Homework. Okay, I hope student you are all complete your exercise in your fair copy. Thank you student, have a nice day. Student, you can make another copy, a very thin copy you can make, because for the correction purpose, correction work, you have your fair copy with you. So all of you write down in any other copy. Okay. Thank you student. Have a nice day.